This is a steam release valve of a steam wagon. And it's got a seat in there like a car valve seat, basically exactly where it is. And the seat's quite badly pitted. I've tried to grind the valve in the seat and it's cutting. So I borrowed a valve cutting tool and valve cutting tool. That goes into the gauge. When you turn that, it cuts the seat. The problem I've got here is the gaug's the wrong size. Or it could be the wrong size when the gauge unscrews. And that looks like fine metric 10mm. So what I want to do is check the thread and then make a gauge to fit a particular application. So I can put this valve seat. That probably was a set of gauge with a tool when it was new, but someone's actually put tape on there. But it's had tape on there, it's not ideal. I'm just going to make a new gauge. Some of the gauge had tape at collars on and a little note in it, they pull the two tape out and lock it into the gauge. This one's just a straightforward parallel gauge. Right, I've checked the thread, it is indeed fine metric 10x1, and luckily I happen to have a nice, or a half decent 10x1 die. I'll put the collar chip on as well, so we'll go about making a new gauge. This is the same with a stainless bar we used for the last job, but this time I've got it with a collar chuck. The bars work straight, unfortunately. Looks better. I think that would work. Take a cut at that and then try it in the valve gauge. Right, so that's the dog's bollocks. That's a really nice fit in there. Turn it around with the chuck, this one nice and true. Really is a handy tool, this collar chuck. We're going to machine the shoulder on here, and then there's a thread to go on, 10x1 thread. That's doing alright for a cheap tap on stainless, there's nothing the matter with that. Right, the moment of truth. I have to tighten those threads up a little bit. This is what's called a split dial. There's a split in it there. And these two bolts squash the die in, make it quite tight a thread. And the thread is slightly adjustable. We'll give it a try at that. I should take a little bit more off it. That's better. Screws onto the shoulder. Looks good. Right, I'll need to give it a try. A little bit of oil on the guide. Use gentle pressure. And that. Just putting a new seat in there. Absolutely beautiful. The garage I used to work in, we had stones for doing this, grindstones, as well as hand cutters, and the grindstones are really good. It was quite a common occurrence cutting valve seats on car engines, especially exhaust seats. There's still a little bit of pit in there. I don't know, maybe you can see it better. Just there's a nasty bit. That's the bit I want to remove, those little pop marks in there. Just a slow process. Nice even pressure. And it can't be anything else but through, because the cutter's fastened to that guide, which is a really good fit in the valve guide. Certainly getting there. A little bit more. That's looking really good now. Right, I'm definitely going to settle for that. And the valve will be lapped into there with some fine lapping paste, and that'll be the job. Ready to go. I mean, this is like 90-year-old, you know, so it's done a little bit of work in its time. I need a little bit of fine lapping paste on the valve face, doesn't take much. Oil on the stem. A little bit of WD-40 type stuff on there, just to thin the paste down. Right, we'll have a look. Starting to form a seat all the way around, nice and even. A little bit more and that's going to be good to go. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've now got a nice light grey seat all the way around. It's touching all the way. That's absolutely gorgeous and I like it. Nothing wrong with that. Valve's the same. I'll reface the valve in the lathe. Put a little bit of glue on the valve. All the way around. Nothing the matter with that. Very happy. Focus bastard. You can see it on the valve seat there all the way around. Splendid. Once again, just taking to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. It does make a big difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.